Hey guys, Freddie Tech with CFL Tech with a quick update here on the Dish and Mission broadcasting carriage dispute. It has finally come to an end at the 1-year time frame, so this has been a long wait, and now we have the channels that went dark back on the Dish system. Now this media news story is from thedesk.net and it will be linked down below if you want to check it out. Now there is a listing of the channels that are restored, so you may want to check this out. It's a very short read as well, but it has good news in it for a change. We always see a lot of bad news, unfortunately, with the upcoming price increases and carriage disputes, and there's good news as well, and here is one of them. So there were 27 channels in total covering 25 metro areas that were pulled from Dish's satellite platform last January following the expiration of a carriage agreement between it and Mission Broadcasting. So they finally got this agreement. It took a lot of work. Now we have the listing here of the channels if you want to check it out. Now if you haven't turned on your TV in the last day or so and you happen to see this video, now you have the news, and that's what we like to do here to let you be aware of this. So check out the listing here if you'd like. It's a really short read, like we said here. Now, there's also White Knight Broadcasting that is falling under the Nexstar operations. Now, this was the same thing with Mission, but now the White Knight Broadcasting stations are still not on. So that's a separate type of carriage dispute. So that's still ongoing, but the channels listed here are now back on the system. So that's really good to see. So what do you think of this carriage dispute? Did you actually leave Dish because of this? Was it enough and now maybe you'll come back, or you're done with Dish because you know something like this or think something like this will happen again once this agreement does expire? So that's always possible, and especially when you're dealing with anything involving Nexstar and Mission and White Knight, which is all part of this whole group. There's always a chance there's going to be a carriage dispute, especially as these fees go higher and higher. So put your comments down below. What do you think of this being restored on Dish? Does it make the system or the service that much better again? Or are you leaving still? Had enough with the price increases and all that? So put your comments down below. Hopefully you found this information helpful. Please like, share, subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you know when the next video drops on CFL Tech. We appreciate everybody watching. The channel continues to grow. Thank you. Freddie Tech will be checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.